What's happening here? The tap is dripping. The tap is dripping. The tap is dripping. The tap is dripping. This means water is falling drop by drop from the tap, even when it is closed. Can you tell me what's happening here? The shelf is dusty. The shelf is dusty. The shelf is dusty. The shelf is dusty. This means a thin layer of dust has settled on top of the shelf. Look at this. What's going on? The bin is overflowing. The bin is overflowing. The bin is overflowing. This means the dustbin is so full that garbage is falling out from the top. Here, the window is foggy. The window is foggy. The window is foggy. The window is foggy. This means the glass is covered with mist and you cannot see clearly through it. What is this? The plug is loose. The plug is loose. The plug is loose. The plug is loose. This means the plug is not fitting tightly into the socket and may fall out. Can you guess what's happening here? The sticker is peeling. The sticker is peeling. The sticker is peeling. The sticker is peeling. This means the sticker is slowly coming off the surface from one corner. What's happening here? The jar is stuck. The jar is stuck. The jar is stuck. The jar is stuck. This means the lid of the jar is too tight and will not open. This one, the drawer is jammed. The drawer is jammed. The drawer is jammed. This means the drawer is stuck and will not slide open, even when you pull it. Look at this. What's going on? The light is flickering. The light is flickering. The light is flickering. The light is flickering. This means the light keeps turning on and off very quickly, again and again. Here, the pipe is leaking. The pipe is leaking. The pipe is leaking. The pipe is leaking. This means water is slowly dripping out from a crack or gap in the pipe. Can you tell me what's happening here? The mat is slipping. The mat is slipping. The mat is slipping. The mat is slipping. This means the mat keeps sliding on the floor instead of staying in one place. What is this? The switch is broken. The switch is broken. The switch is broken. The switch is broken. This means the switch does not work when you press it. Can you guess what's happening here? The floor is uneven. The floor is uneven. The floor is uneven. The floor is uneven. This means the floor is not flat and has bumps or dips in some places. This one. The door is creaking. The door is creaking. The door is creaking. This means the door makes a squeaky noise every time you open or close it. Look at this! What's going on? The paint is chipping. The paint is chipping. The paint is chipping. The paint is chipping. This means small pieces of paint are breaking off and falling from the wall. Here, the wire is tangled. The wire is tangled. The wire is tangled. The wire is tangled. This means the wire is twisted into a messy knot and is hard to straighten out. What is this? The handle is loose. The handle is loose. The handle is loose. This means the handle is not fixed tightly and it wobbles when you touch it. Can you tell me what's happening here? The curtain is torn. The curtain is torn. The curtain is torn. The curtain is torn. This means there is a rip or hole in the curtain fabric. What's happening here? The battery is drained. The battery is drained. The battery is drained. The battery is drained. This means the battery has no power left and the device has turned off. This one, the screen is cracked. The screen is cracked. The screen is cracked. The screen is cracked. This means the phone screen has broken lines or a shatter pattern on it.